Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Windows update with the error code 0x80310048 that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this is a feature, security, cumulative or other updates may fail with an error 0x80310048. This can happen due to a myriad of reasons, including inadequately configured services, system file corruptions, and bug update catch. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung troubleshoot settings, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa troubleshoots, under dito sa options ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters, so i-click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa other troubleshooters, under dito sa most frequent, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Windows Update. At dito lang sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung Run. And wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. Okay, so troubleshooting has completed. Alright, so after dito sa troubleshooters, and then other solution na pwede natin gawin is to reset Windows Update components. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. And then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung Run as Administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung Yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na ipconfig space // DNS. Okay, so kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na ipconfig space / DNS, so one word yan, and press mo lang yung enter. And successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. And the next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung command keyword na NATSH space WinSock space reset. Ayan, so kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na NATSH space WinSock space reset and press mo lang yung enter. And successfully reset the WinSock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So, ang next step, so close lang natin tong CMD at dito lang sa start menu, and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows Update with the error code 0x80310048 and Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.